What up, Velemut Baba Kulumima, Limoniana, you shut up. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy Nobody 2 minutes, and this is another episode of Market Breakdown with Nobody 2 minutes. I hope you had a lovely weekend and a very productive week. I see you made it to the markets and so forth. So, like again, it's another day, another market breakdown with Nobody 2 minutes. And like, yeah, to start off things, we are going to start with our major index, which is DXY. Now, let's get into DXY. Guys, like whenever we trade, we use the top and down analysis, which is we studying at the higher time frames to do what higher time frames. We study the higher time frames for as they cater for our market directions. You see, and they help us give the broad insight of what the market is going to give us. So now, whenever we use the top and down analysis, we study with higher time frames, and then when we are at the higher time frames, we know that we want to cater for we want to look at the market structures. You see, what is the market doing when you don't work? What are the grounds giving us? What type of trends? What is the market doing? Who is in control of the market? What trends are what trends are the market giving us? So now we are going to answer those questions within the top and down analysis. So starting with things higher time frame, we cater for areas of significance. Areas of significance. After catering for areas of significance, we know that we have a lot of trend reversals catering for areas of significance, not forgetting that an area of significance in a daily time frame sometimes cannot be an area of significance in a daily time frame. Again, areas of significance, trend reversal, multiple confluences. Don't forget that. Multiple confluences. Now, we know that higher time frames, like I said, they help us with the market direction. Now, we can see that, okay, this is the type of structure the market is trying to portray to us. You see now. See, we can now again make use of our history to determine our future. Can make use of our history to determine our future. Okay, now because now we now got the direction of what the price is giving us, we go to lower time frames to now get the insight of what the price is giving us. You see, now let's go to 4 hour time frame and see what the price is giving us. Now let's try to analyze this. Starting here, remember we had a flag pole, then price created a flag, then we had a trend reversal supported by a market chart pattern, which is the inverted on shoulders, which is a clear indication that the price is reversing trend reversal. And as you can see, look at here, taking a look at the candlestick patterns, you can see that this is a doji, which again signifies a trend reversal. Therefore, this was a clear confirmation of that trend reversal. And you see, this was a pullback, then again continuation, something like that. Then after that, price broke this upper boundary trend line, which is a resistance trend line. Price broke it and see that we had so many touches on the upper boundary, so many touches as compared to the lower boundary. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 touches on the upper boundary. It shows that the price was going indeed to break in that upper boundary. Invested in shoulders, price went up. These are area of significance, remember. Price went it, came back, gave us that range bound type of trend. Price give us that range bound trend. You see, at this level, the price was so undecided. You see, the price was so undecided at this level. It didn't know what to do. But after that, remember, after when we are trading range bounds, we now anticipate. We enter at our resistance structure. We set at our resistance structure and buy at our support structures until we get a breakout. There are three ways to reach the range bound, which is entering at our areas of significance as our swing highs, not our swing highs, sorry, at our resistance structures and support structures. You look here, we entered here, we sold here. You see, until we see a trend reversal, not a trend reversal, sorry, a trend breakout, a structure breakout. You see, price give us the range bound. You sell and buy. until you had a BOS, which is the break of structure. Price came back to test that level, and then after came back to test that level, that was a clear indication for some traders. What like now, this is a clear indication of a buy because now price came back to test this area. Price came back to test, shot up, and then again it portrayed something to us. What did the price do now? Now at this level, the price was so undecided too and give us that choppy market. Choppy market is the why buy. No, it is not a choppy market because we can still get a direction from here and see that price give us something like this too here. Give us something like, you see, it gave us something like a bullish flag again. Remember, price went consolidated to give us a flag pole, then again full bullish flag. And after bullish flag, remember that, please note that after each and every breakout, there must be a confirmation that the breakout has ended. You see, we're within a price, we're within a bullish, no, I don't want to say that. Okay, listen, impulsive movement, correction a little bit, price pushed up the beginning of a retracement. Price retraced to the downside. After retracing, we had now a confirmation of a what? Of a retracement, end of a retracement, and the beginning of a new movement, continuation of a confirmation of a new movement, which is now what confirmed for us this double bottom. Double bottom, and what we know that sometimes we have to first look at the chart pattern, which is the now here double bottom confirmed by a bullish flag. And now again, for us to have that clear confirmation of a trend reversal, we have to get into the candlesticks. Now looking at the candlesticks, we can see that we had here a spike. You see, this is a spike, and if you can understand the psychology behind the candlestick, you can sell that this is a spike. We had so many sellers coming in, sellers came in, but now the number of buys came in higher. The momentum of buys came in higher. You see, buyers came in high, and after that buyers came in high, they had now another momentum of a candlestick, which is called, this candlestick. I don't want to confuse with the name. This candlestick which didn't have a closing price. It had only an opening because it opened here, but it never closed. It didn't have a closing tick. You see, it shows that the momentum of buyers were so high that even sellers couldn't battle them. You see, after that, we had this Harami candlestick. This is called a Harami candlestick because this looks like a pregnant woman. Harami in Chinese is pregnant. Harami candlestick, price went up now, gave us this, came test this neckline, gave us this another another. If this is a double bottom, then this first sharp thing and this the second one. I just didn't know what to say. Then another confirmation of a candlestick pattern, candlestick which is now this doji. No, this is not a doji but a shooting star. This is a hammer. Sorry, it's a hammer. This is a hammer. This is a hammer. And then again, we have this now, this gravestone doji. That's a confirmation that you see that the price now goes up. Now, let me tell you something about the price. Now, we have now to cater for areas of significance, which is now minor areas of significance, which are the areas where the price is likely to return. On the price when broke this upper bound, which is the trend line, came back to test it. Now went down again, pushed, and this pushed to our previous seen high. You see, pushed there, then came back. This was the influence of events. Then now at this moment, the price was so undecided. What do you anticipate at this moment now? What do you anticipate? Remember this DXY, and now this is the level we are at now. You see, this is a price respect this level. Now, what do you anticipate at this level? What do you anticipate at this level? What now the price is going to do? What do you think the price is going to do now? You have to know what the price is giving. Now, as you can see that overall we are within a bullish. bullish trend. But now let's go to lower time frames to get the insight, you see, to get the insight of where the price is going, get the insight. Now, if you can take a look at this, you can see that now the price is ranging. Now the price is ranging. It is so undecided. Now the price is so undecided. And now, if the price is so undecided, we have to follow the direction of the price. Now, let's see this. Let's see that. Well, now the price is at the what? At the range bound. It's giving us. It is at the range bound. It is at the range bound uh, trend. Range bound trend, which is within the resistance and support structures. Now you see, buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here. Now, but now, if you can see, we had a flag pole. Now, price portrayed to us a bearish what? A bearish flag. Now, what do you anticipate now? The price is giving us double tops, then shoots to the here. This is our anticipation with regards to the DXY. This is our anticipation with regards to the DXY. This is what we're anticipating, that if the due to the momentum of the price, when the market opens, you can see the price might come here, confirm that double top before it eventually comes down. And then this is our first take profit. This is our first take profit. First TP. You see, this is our first take profit.